Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Today I'm going to start the new topic which is about chemical energetics. Learning outcomes of chemical energetics would be state that an exothermic reaction transfers thermal energy to the surroundings, leading to an increase in the temperature of the surroundings. The other learning outcome is state that an endothermic reaction takes in thermal energy from the surrounding, leading to a decrease in the temperature of the surroundings. What are exothermic reactions? The definition says that the reaction in which heat is released or given out to the surrounding. Let me write. The reaction in which heat is given out or released to the surrounding. As a result, there's a rise or increase in temperature of the surrounding. The temperature of the surrounding increases. Now let's talk about the examples of exothermic reactions. Some examples of exothermic reactions are combustion reactions, combustion reactions like methane, burning of carbon, respiration reactions. I'm writing the reaction equations for your convenience. This is a combustion reaction of methane. Let me write the state symbols. Now this reaction equation need to be balanced. Burning of carbon, state symbols. And this equation needs to be balanced. The last equation is about respiration reaction. This is glucose, oxygen, products are carbon dioxide, H2O, and heat. Write the state symbols. Let me check whether this equation is balanced. No, it's not balanced. You have noticed one thing, that heat is written on product side of this reaction. This indicates that heat is released, not absorbed during the reaction. released to the surrounding. What are endothermic reactions? The definition of endothermic reaction is opposite to that of exothermic reactions, which mean the reaction in which heat is absorbed or taken in from the surrounding. Let me write the reaction. The reactions in which heat is taken in or absorbed from the surrounding. Due to this reason, there's a drop or decrease in temperature of the surrounding. The temperature of the surrounding decreases. Now let's see some examples of endothermic reaction. Reactions like decomposition of limestone, dissolving salts in water, photosynthesis reaction, decomposition reactions, photosynthesis, etc. For your convenience, I am writing these reaction equations. The decomposition of limestone. The products are calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. First of all, let me check. Let me write the state symbols for these equations. This equation is balanced. Now I have to write heat on the top of the arrow. The other equation is about photosynthesis, which is the reaction between water and carbon dioxide. Products are glucose and oxygen. First of all, let me write the state symbols. Let's see each equation is balanced or not. This is not balanced. And here, sunlight is the source of energy. The other reaction is dissolving salt like NaNO3 in water. Write the state symbols. This reaction also takes in it. You have noticed one thing, that here in this case, the reaction heat is absorbed from the surrounding. That's why it's shown on the top of the arrow. These are the heat, form of the heat. Sunlight is also form of the heat. It's shown on the arrow, which indicate that heat is absorbed in this reaction. Absorbed from the surrounding. Here's a summary of today's lesson. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is released or given out to the surrounding. Endothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is absorbed or taken in from the surrounding. Thanks for watching. Please like, give comments and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.